how to set swipe left or swipe right action to read or unread text messages. You can see it here. If I swipe across, it will show read or unread. Okay, so first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the text messages app. And here go to the top and tap on the profile icon. Then we scroll down and tap on messages settings. From here, scroll down and tap on swipe actions. Next, for swipe right or swipe left, tap on the customize button at the top. Then from the list here, you want to choose mark as read or unread. Okay, so after that, we go back to your text messages. Now from the list here, you can swipe across to mark your text message as read or unread. If it is set to unread, and if you open up your text conversation, it is now marked as read, and then you can swipe across to mark it as unread. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.